simplistic ideas, dirty bass lines, groovy rhythms, sexy vocals. I think everyone loves that magical combination. Today we're gonna make a track in the style of Cloonee, and we're gonna use the new Latin Tech House Volume 2 sample pack. I'm Burner, let's go. I'm gonna start out with the male vocals.
Súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Estás bien dura, qué linda figura. Si tú me lo pides, te llevo a la luna.
And we're gonna add a kick rhythm.
Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Estás bien dura, te quiero desnuda. Si tú me lo pides, te llevo a la luna.
Make sure you play with the velocity, because if you do these double kick things, it can sound very heavy if you have the velocity straight.
Llevo a la luna. Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura.
Let's check bass loops. Yeah, we're gonna grab this one.
Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Estás bien dura, te quiero desnuda.
And I'm gonna sidechain from the kick to make sure that everything sounds controlled. Set this to one shot. Make sure the snap is off. Set this to gate, because this makes sure that every time when you have the double kicks, that it's just on the gate, you know, that it stops when the next one is coming, so it's not overlapping each other then. And I'm gonna add a kick tweak on this kick.
Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Estás bien dura, te quiero desnuda. Si tú me lo pides, te llevo a la luna.
Gonna cut away all the high frequencies of this bass loop.
Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura.
A fun fact is that I actually held a tiny bit on the pack. It's like maybe 1 or 2% on the full pack, but I did some of the top loops. Love this.
Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Estás bien dura, te quiero desnuda. Si tú me lo pides, te llevo a la luna.
Oh, this sounds cool as well.
Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura.
I don't know, I hear some like a tom sound, which I really love. I think it's in this one. It's the combination. So what I usually like to do is to grab parts of different top loops. And now if we grab a head loop. Ooh. A bit heavy maybe for this one, but... Oh, this is cool, with that delay thing. Now I'm gonna search for a cool clap loop. Maybe some filtered clap like this. I love this. Gonna mix this just a bit to make it more stand out in a mix. And I'm gonna put in a top loop because I wanna glue everything together. I feel this. Let me check what I can put here on the group to make it stand out more a little bit. Searching for the Fab Filter Saturn here. It already beefs up the low end a lot. Okay, I love the groove which we have right now. I'm gonna check out the effects. Go to my glitch loops. Yeah. Believe it or not, but these kind of elements really makes your track sound better. I'm gonna EQ the vocal a bit.
Súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Estás bien dura, qué linda figura. Si tú me lo pides, te llevo a la luna. Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Solo súbete a mi avión a 3000 metros.
Okay, I already know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna set this whole section right here, and maybe I'm gonna remove the kick and the clap. Yeah. Luna,
Luna, Luna,
Okay, now we can go all the way crazy with this vocal.
Luna, 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 Luna.
Put an echo on it. Cut away some frequencies. Yes, this is cool, this is cool. And then maybe some fills or something. Oh, I think just something like this maybe. Yeah, love that. And maybe it's cool if we pitch this down all the way. Ooh, or maybe with a frequency that's also pretty sick. I want to have more feedback. Ooh, this is sick. Let me check if... Oh! Yeah, I love this sound. I don't know exactly what this is, but you hear this a lot in like UK garage and stuff. I love this sound. Some delay. Oh, this is cool. Maybe before the drop comes in. Maybe we can check the instrumental things. Ooh. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, we can make something sick with this, I think. I have something in my mind, you know, and that's a good sign. I want to make this sound a little bit more crazy. I'm gonna arrange it a little bit, because I don't know yet where I'm gonna place this flute. Let me do it for now here. Okay, I think I like this more when the vocal hits like this. So it actually starts on this point. Yeah, way better. And then here, I'm gonna make it a little bit more crazy. Gonna record a long flute, and I'm gonna make that a reversed tail. Better. I'm gonna add a logic swing and I go for this one. Let me call that one main groove, because I think it can be a little bit more bouncy. So sometimes you see you struggling for sometimes hours. In this case it was just minutes, but right now I'm really starting to feel this. So let me check how it drops without the drums. That can be cool as well. Oh yeah, then the delay thing is not stopping. So I need to set that back to 20%. And then I think I want to drop dry, like completely. I think that sounds cool. Love these things. I don't know what they are saying, of course, but I think this kind of things makes it a little bit more dirty and weird in a good way, I think. Maybe a little bit more random. Yeah, that's better. and then a big verb after. So that's how you make tracks in the style of Cloonee. As you can see, I just did something. I used weird effects like delays and stuff, and I think it's pretty close. I only used Latin Tech House Volume 2 samples, so you definitely have to check the sample pack out. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.
Vete a mi avión a 3000 metros de altura. Estás bien dura, te quiero desnuda. Si tú me lo pides, te llevo a la luna.